fuck. So, got another vlog. Basically, what we're doing is just another day in life sort of thing. I've actually got so much to do today, it's unreal. But it's my first day off. Normally I'm in bed till about 11 or 12. 10:38. I need to sort my hair up by the looks of it as well. But nonetheless, first task of the day is to change the thumbnail to the last video. I think I posted it literally half an hour before it went live, which is quite close in terms of normal upload schedule. And I didn't really have time to make a good thumbnail. And then after that point, I've been flat out all week at work. So 6 views in 4 days is awful. So I'm kind of in two boats, right? Because I finished the second version of the thumbnail and I'm not exactly happy with it, but at the same time, I don't want to spend too much time doing something that I know isn't my best work. I know that isn't my best video, hence why I probably got 6 views. 12 o'clock, thumbnail has been changed. I've uploaded, so I've been through and I've uploaded shorts for that video, and I'm just about to reply to comments. Wow, I only got one, but I didn't reply to it yesterday. And then basically after that, time to... I need to wash my car, but it's currently 4 degrees outside, so it's a little bit chilly. So update, I fell asleep earlier. After lunch, you know, you saw the garlic bread. After that, basically what happened is I went upstairs and I fell asleep, unfortunately, so I didn't wash my car. But we're going out now, so big up the Swan. So about a year ago, you see that? That's pretty mad. So about a year ago, I posted a video called I Caught COVID, in which quite evidently I caught COVID. Basically what happened is on that day I went to the destination, got a test, and then after that I went to home and then I washed my car because I couldn't really do anything else. I thought I'd do it again. Obviously I have cleaned it since then, but it hasn't been as, I didn't record it, so that's the plan of action today. I have to shout a bit louder because my mic's dead. So as you can see, it's quite dirty. More dirty towards the back though. I assume that's just a coincidence really. Let's get this show on the road. So I've got all the tools I need, the brush for the alloys, and then a smaller one to get nooks and crannies. Some sort of cleaning wash mitt, the sauce, the bucket, and I'm going to get some water now. So normally, when you're washing a car, first thing to do is start from the top and then work your way down. So, roof, windows, bonnet, sides, alloys. That's how I'm going to do it today. I don't know why I tripped out there. It was a little kid calling for his dad. I mean, where it's quite dirty at the back, you can obviously see there's residue, but that's alright because we'll clean it off in a minute. Then we've got these 2 wheels here, and then obviously from the front, it looks pretty smashing. If you'd like to buy some alloys, they are the old ones that used to be on here. So if you see the last video, you'll see they're actually kind of grey, and these ones are black. So if you want the grey ones, they are a bit fucked. Hit me up on Instagram and I will sort you out a deal. Tyres included too. Little tip, if your hose pipe is leaking and getting you absolutely soaking wet, disconnect it and go for the tap instead. Oh shit, fuck. I didn't really think that through. So plan of action is to basically just go over it once again and then go from there. getting a bit chilly now. I'm gonna get some dinner. Yeah, basically carry on the rest of the day. Look a bit puffy here. Basically, what I'm gonna do is scram my rolls and then watch some TV. But other than that, and I might do a little bit of a stream later. I'm not sure yet, not sure. So, I've just finished like a I don't know actually how long it was. 2 hours, 18-minute stream. And I was on Black Ops 3. It was a good stream actually. I enjoyed it. Except for the end bit. Because I fucking fumbled, didn't I? Went into the boss fight and ran out of ammo. I fumbled the bag hard. So, after that very, very smooth transition, 24 minutes past 3, and basically, the video's basically all done, but there's nothing really to it. No one is going to search the day in the life of Durbs vlog, are they? So, what I need to do is figure out some way of getting some sort of clicks. And here is my knight in shining armour. Let me just show you. So as you can see, the stream I did last night is there. I changed the thumbnail because the last one was pretty whack, but this one's a little bit better. But it's been 5 years since this channel has been created. And I believe that I should be commemorating this event with something very special. And you may remember a while back I did some like custom Pokemon cards and gave them to my friends. Well, this is where it all coincides. I know that smaller channels, they use giveaways to boost their views. So you can imagine where this is going. I'm gonna stick giveaway in the title, make it seem like this something massive, but really it's a custom Pokemon card. So there's only three out in circulation at the moment. So what I'm gonna do is make one now. So, as you can see, we have the fight and energy under here. And I didn't really know where to go with this. And I'm a bit struck for time. I got to make sure this video comes out on time. Edition 5 of the custom Pokemon cards. Obviously, we've got number 5 to signify the number. We've got the anniversary, because obviously this channel was made on the 12th of Feb. Got a little signature there. And I've put your mum at the bottom, because it felt a bit basic without your mum. I just thought I'd add that I actually did end up adding the sub count because I forgot to do that to start with. So, sorry about that. And you're probably wondering why I've got 2. And that is because, you remember, there was only 3 in that last video. So, the steel one, I'm actually going to use for number 4. And this will be hidden from the public. I know it's going to sound ambitious, but until I reach 100, not 100, not 1,000, 1 million subs. So it's a very ambitious goal, and then, you know, you might never get to see it, but you might as well subscribe. If you want to see it, you're gonna have to subscribe, and we have to get it to 1 million. But you know how it is. But yeah, if you want to win this card, you best comment down below turkey sandwiches with a side of cranberry sauce, because they're quite nice. I didn't have that yesterday, but that was the first thing that sprung to mind. And now that I've got the clickbait title out of the way, well, that's basically it, unfortunately. If you did enjoy, be sure to smash that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.